Meaning of frontally.
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 Frontally. Frontally is an adverb that means facing or approaching something head-on, usually in a direct manner. When someone confronts a problem frontally, they take a straightforward approach to solving it rather than avoiding it. In military strategy, frontal attacks involve attacking the enemy from the front, which can be a risky maneuver. In any context, tackling a challenge frontally requires courage and determination. By being assertive and proactive, those who approach problems frontally are more likely to achieve success and find solutions to difficult situations.